Hello developers, in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to convert HTML table to Excel using JavaScript. Yes, you can export or convert HTML table to Excel using JavaScript with the help of one library called table to Excel. As you can see that I have already posted an article about this topic on my blog codingdiksha.com. I have given this article link on the video description. Okay, let's move on to the tutorial. I'm going to use Visual Studio Code as a code editor. I'm going to open the project folder which I have already created for this project JavaScript. As you can see that there is no files inside this folder. Yeah, now I'm going to create a new file. Now I'm going to copy and paste this HTML and JavaScript code. Yeah, I pasted it. I'm saving the file as HTML, index.html. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now I'm going to run this file. I just right click the file and click open with Google Chrome. Yes, as you can see that I have included on h2 tag HTML to Excel using JavaScript, then table, then one button called export HTML table data to Excel. Okay, now I am going to explain the code. As you can see that this is the HTML code where head tag and body tag are there. Inside the head tag I am going to mention the meta cassette, meta name. I hope you all guys know that these are the default HTML codes. I'm going to include Bootstrap for this project for just trialing purpose. So I included the Bootstrap CSS style sheet using this link. Then you can see that this is the library, which is JavaScript library, which is available on GitHub. You can see that we have to include the script. We have to include the script using script tag. You have to download this code as a zip file. Yeah, I successfully downloaded the zip file. I am going to extract the zip file. Now I am going to copy and paste this folder to inside my project folder. Yeah, you can see that script type equal to text JavaScript, source equal to dot slash. Here you can see the table to Excel master slash dast folder. Inside that you can find table to excel.js, right? So I included that using script tag. Then inside the body tag you can see that h2 tag HTML to Excel using JavaScript. Then the table, for the table I have given the ID table data. Then finally a button. When I click the button, it will call the export table to Excel function, right? Then at the end of the body, then I included the Bootstrap script tag. Then the function I have written to convert HTML table to Excel. You can see that there is only one line of code. Inside the function export table to Excel, you can see that table to Excel dot convert document dot get element by ID. I'm getting the table using get element by ID. As you can see here, I have given the ID table ID as table data. Here you can see that I have also mentioned the ID here. That's it. Now I'm going to run this project. Yeah. When I click the export HTML table data to Excel button, it will call the function. So you can see here the Excel file is downloaded successfully in the name of export.xlsx. Now I am going to open the Excel file. Yes. Here you can see that the HTML table is successfully exported to Excel. Name, email, country, ranjit@gmail.com USA. Here you can see that ranjit@gmail.com USA. That's it, guys. Then you can also define the Excel sheet name and the Excel file name, right? For that, just you have to replace that one line of code with this code. I copied the code and I pasted it here. Okay, I'm going to align the code. Here I'm going to change the table ID. I copied the table ID and replaced it here. Yes. Then I need the Excel output file name as output, right? So I replaced it here. Then sheet name is sheet1, right? I leave it default. I saved the file. Now I'm going to refresh the page. When I click the button, you can see that the output, the downloaded file name is changed, output.xls, right? That's it, guys. Actually, there are so many options available. You can see that you can style the cell, then you can exclude some cells or rows, then you can define the column width, then you can define the row width. There are so many things you can do with this library. It's a wonderful, awesome library. I hope this video helps you to convert HTML table to Excel. If you have any doubts about this topic, then please leave a comment. I will help you. If you like this video, then share this video with other developers to help them. Then don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates about JavaScript.